Hi everybody, so this is my design. I'm using Nicola in the 4-in-1 gel polish range. I just placed down 2 coats of this and I cure each coat in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. So from the subscription box in May, I got these moulds. I got teddy bears. You could get different versions. I think you could get butterflies, but I got teddy bears. They're so cute. So with 4-in-1 gel polish, because it doesn't need top coat, in the shade Claire, I just popped down this gel polish in the mould, made sure I got all of the little spaces, all the gaps, so there were no gaps basically. And I popped down a layer, cured it for 30 seconds, then went in with another layer and cured it for 30 seconds. And as you can see, I just wipe off the excess with my finger so that there's no more of the colour anywhere on the mould. And then with my non-wipe UV gel top coat, I went along the back there. I didn't really need to do that, but it was just to fatten out the mould. I cured that for 60 seconds. How cute is he? So with Miss You Beauty's jewellery gel, I just popped a little bit of that down on the nail. You could use top coat to apply this mould to the nail, but I decided to go with jewellery gel. And then I got some of these stickers, so I just sort of added a little bit of extra decoration. And then I applied top coat and cured it for 60 seconds. How cute is my little teddy bear? I love him. So, thanks for watching guys. Bye.